So good day to each and every one of you. My name is Neil Brian Esotoniel and I am the next report. This will be the continuation of the last reporter. So number 1, independent expert on the situation of human rights in Central African Republic. Number 2, independent expert on the situation of human rights in Mali. Number 3, independent expert on the situation of human rights in Somalis. And number 4, special rapporteur on the situation of human rights in Belarus. Special rapporteur on situation of human rights in Cambodia, which is number 5. And number 6 is special rapporteur on the situation of human rights in Eritrea. Number 7. Special Rapporteur on the situation of human rights in the Democratic People's Power of Korea. Number 8. Special Rapporteur on the situation of human rights in the Islamic Republic of Iran. Number 9. Special Rapporteur on the situation of human rights in Myanmar. Number 10, Special Rapporteur on the situation of human rights in the Palestinian territories occupied since 1967. And Special Rapporteur on the situation of human rights in the Syrian Arab Republic. Thematic mandate. So, before we distinguish this topic, I will clearly explain what is thematic mandate. So, thematic mandate, these are cover special themes or aspects of human rights. The two most relevant for conscientious objections are the working group or on arbitrary detention and the special rapporteur on freedom of religion or belief. It is said that mandate holders analyze key phenomena related to various rights or specific groups for 3 years, focusing on norm setting and human rights obligation promotion. There are 44 active thematic mandates emphasizing communication and country visits. Some of them are: Number 1, Working Group on People of African Descent. Number 2, Working Group on Arbitrary Detention. Number 3, Working Group on Enforced or Involuntary Disappearances. Number 4, Independent Expert on the Employment of Human Rights of Persons with Albinism. Number 5, Independent Expert on the Promotion of a Democratic and Equitable International Order. And number 6, Independent Expert on the Effects of Foreign Debt and Other Related International Financial Obligations of State on the Full Enjoyment of Human Rights, particularly economic, social, and cultural rights. That's all for me. Thank you very much.